All right, eighth grade. This is not going to take us long today. Just like the other day, we had adding radicals. Today is subtracting radicals. This is very basic. Once again, if we look at a couple of examples, we're going to go 5 and the square root of 7 and subtract 3 and the square root of 7. Okay? So remember what I have here. My 7 and my 7, they're what we call the radicands. So that's my radicand. The 3 is what we call the coefficient. We went over that yesterday. That's not new information. So I got a radicand of 7 here and a coefficient of 5. I can subtract radicals as long as the radicands are the same. Okay, so as long as my radicands are the same, I can subtract them. And all I do is subtract the coefficients. So essentially all I'm doing here is 5 minus 3. Okay, my square root of 7 is not going to change. I just do 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2, which means that actually the answer to the original problem, 5 in the square root of 7 minus 3 in the square root of 7, actually equals 2 and the square root of 7. Now, we'll just do one more example. Let's say, for example, I don't know. Let's go 4 and the square root of 16 minus 7 and the square root of 16. Don't overthink it. The radicands are the same, so you can just have 4 minus 7. I know that 4 minus 7 is negative 3, so I'm going to have negative 3 and the square root of 16. You can handle that, folks. That's not bad at all. Let's not be confused if I get something like this. 7 and the square root of 8 minus the square root of 8. There's no number there as a coefficient. What number goes there when there's no coefficient? Will you actually say it out loud, scream it through the screen? Very good. It's 1. If there's no number there, we're not going to put a 1 there. Okay, you're not going to see a 1 there. Just if there's no number there, understand that it's a 1. We know that 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 and the square root of 8. Have a good day, 8th grade. We'll talk to you later.